Today in class you're working on simplifying radicals, so I wanted to provide you with a little bit of extra notes to help make sure that you understand this idea. So when we're working with a square root has a little hidden 2 here. It's called our index. So just like with some other things, we sometimes get lazy and don't write it. So anytime it's not written, we know there's an invisible 2 there. Square root is telling us we need 2 numbers, or 1 number, times itself that gives us this number here. If we have a number times itself, then we have a perfect square. So for instance, with square root of 4, it is a perfect square because 2 times 2 gives us 4. So the square root of 4 is actually just 2. Now square root of 18, it is not a perfect square. So we want to simplify this. We do this by breaking it down, just like we did here. 18 is also 9 times 2. 9 would break down farther to give us 3 times 3 times 2. Once we have 2 of the same number, then we would have a perfect square. The perfect square gets to come out of our radical. So this would simplify to 3 square root of 2. Notice this 2 is staying inside because it does not have a pair with it. It can't come out of the radical because you need 2 of them to come out. Do the same thing here. 300 is the same thing as 3 times 100. I can break down 100 to be 10 times 10. There's 2 of the same numbers being multiplied, so that is a perfect square that gets to come out of my radical. When it comes out, it would be multiplying times this because this is -5 times the square root of 300. So -5 times 10 would give me -50 square root of 3.